Hi everyone, I so appreciate you stopping in and taking a few moments with me today. I have a package from a company that reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try their product. I said yes I do, but having back surgery and then my nails were done like days before and I was not taking it off. So, you know, the surgery kind of messed me up to do this. And this is from ModelOnes, I do believe it's called. This is a dip powder kit. I was happy to do this. 20 pieces, 20 colors, I mean. I do have a link in my description box for the ModelOnes dip powder kit for Valentine's Day. So I'm trying to get this out early so that I can share it with you guys. This is like an all-inclusive, oops, I'm so sorry, that makes horrible noise. All-inclusive kit. And this is from Amazon. You can order this on Amazon, I should say. And it came with a little pamphlet, and it just, if you could open this, it would be nice. It just basically tells you what to do, which is nice if you've never dipped your nails. Little instructions, and then just like a little product catalog, and they have all kinds of stuff. Yeah, you name it, it's in here. Nice to have. Oh, that came out of the thing, so we'll put you back. I don't know if I can get it back. So this is everything that you receive. I don't want anything to fall out, so that's a lot. Oh, and then you get this little package underneath with 2 spare lids and like one of the orange sticks to like push, you know, cuticles and clean up around your nail. They're nice. So you get the base liquid, you get the, let me see what the liquids are. Base, the activator, the gel top, and the brush saver. And the brush saver is right here. And then this, you can just put your lids in. And it cleans them and they don't get gunky, but and I think that's why they give you spare tops. You do get like a little tiny like emery board. This will help clean up your nails, your cuticle pusher, a brush to help push away all the extra powder, and then you get a nice little emery board here. And the powders, these are really nice tones. They really are. So I'll just pull, if I can get one out. It might not be so easy to get out. So I'm just going to use my blade to try to help me out here. And give it a little, I don't know if I can get one out. What I did, because these, you know, they're small little pots. And let me open them. And there's no names on them. They're by number. They are all sealed. What I like, when you go to stick, because you have to bring your nail in on an angle, 45-degree angle. It's going to push the dip powder out because the jars are small. So do you know, when you're in a restaurant and you get the little plastic cups, the clear cups with the lid, like with extra, let's say, pickles or sauce or things like that in it, I ordered them, but I ordered like, you know, smaller ones, but enough that it would take this powder. And I could pour it in there and then put my finger in dip, and I could get the powder back in here to store it or leave it in them. Now, I have them away, and I tried to get them. I can't reach them. We've all seen them. I ordered a pack from Amazon. It was so affordable, and I'm trying to think how many were in there. 100 or 150. Like, I'll use them around the house for stuff. Cute to put like push pins in, paper clips, things like that. I'm going to put some in my desk drawer, but I figured I would put the powders in. Now, I have not been ready to do my nails. One, I wasn't able to sit long enough to do them, but my nails are trashed. They're all grown out. Their edges are, you know, this is just polish. My nails need to be cut and trimmed and cuticles pushed back a little bit, not too much. And then I'm going to use one of these dip powders. I don't know which one. I would love to do maybe some of the grays. There's some really pretty colors in here. I don't know which is the better way to show you. Oh, the liquids are going to all fall out. I don't know where that went. So let me get this. The liquids are going to fall right out of here. So there's nice tones in here. Like, I don't think there's a bad one in the bunch. So I am so excited to try this. Now, I've done dip powder in the past on this channel, I think a few times with another brand, but the process is the same. You know, you put the base on, and then you dip and re-put, I think you do it twice, if I'm not mistaken. I'll read their instructions. Every brand is slightly different. Like the one that I have, you had to put like a clear powder on first and then do the color. These, you just go right in with the color. And once you get the color on and it's covering your nail, everything's good to go. Then you activate. Then you usually, can buff it and shape your nail and get everything nice and smooth. Put your gel top coat on and basically you're done. I mean, and then this, brush. And I always have a makeup brush in, and I have an old makeup brush to use to get the powders off. I just use an old powder brush. And I have my other dip powders in makeup train cases that I've received from IPSY and Boxy and things like that. They all store nicely in there. And I have one put aside that I will put these in along with the little cups and put everything that they provide in one of them. And just keep the brands separate. But you can, I think you can intermix the, the powders and so forth. They have lots of, like the color cubes. I've tried one of them from ModelOnes and didn't care for it. It just wasn't me. It was like too light of a shade, but they have, they have tons of them. And here's what the color cube, that's a real big one. Tons of them. I'm trying to, we'll get to the dip powders and then I can show you. They have gel, nail art brushes, if you want to do nail art. And then here's the 20 kit. So you can get, the dip powder, you can get like all nudes. I think I have this one right here, the 20. But I don't know if I have the Valentine's one or if that's, I might have that one. It might be the shades. I'm not really sure. They have 20, 30. You can just get the liquids if that's what you need. The poly gel, I've always wanted to try that, but not brave enough to put that on my nails. One day I might give it a shot. I love doing my own nails. And, starter kits, the nail forms you can get from them, bigger powders, acrylic powder bottles, and so forth. Okay, and you can get different colors, 24, the acrylic liquid. Let me see what else is in here. Nail care items. They have a ton of products. And here's their little catalog. So I'm excited to try this. And like I was saying, I get so sidetracked. I have done this on the channel before, and I'm not going to go through the whole process with this kit. But I will come back in another video, probably after, because today is, Thursday? Probably do my nails this weekend. And then when I film next week and put up a video, I will quick share what they look like and the ease of use, which I know it's going to be easy because I've done this before. I have 2 other brands, acrylic powders, and I love doing it. I just don't always have the time, and it just lasts so much longer. I can get 3 to 4 weeks out of my nail polish, but that leading edge chips. It chips, starts to chip away at the cuticle line and starts to get very dull, where when you put this stuff on, it stays shiny and doesn't fade and chip, and your leading edge of your nail doesn't get all, worn away. I do prefer the dip powder. I know my sister was going constantly to get her nails dipped. And, she has not been able to bring herself to do that as of late. So maybe one day I can have her come down and either I can show her how to use it at home, and she could try this at home if she wants to. Maybe one time when my older niece is here, if they want to give it a try. I have plenty of powders and liquids, and maybe we can, do that. So, but I will show you what color I choose and in a future video, and let you know what I think, which I don't think I will be unhappy at all because, I've done this before. So a big thank you to ModelOnes for reaching out to me and offering to send me your dip powder kit for Valentine's Day. And there will be a link in my description box. You can click right on it and go see if that's something you would like. Would make a great Valentine's Day gift for anyone, man or woman. I mean, there's plenty of guys out there that do their nails, get their nails done. Maybe they want to try doing it at home. But I'm excited to try this. I really am. Really, really am. You know, they've done, you know, I'm sure they're all over social media. I've seen, you know, I have all their papers printed out that they sent me. You know, I'm sure they're all over social media, just like all these companies are. So, you know, I might watch a few of their videos to see if there's any tips or tricks using their product. And I will share my thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your day. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.